Hello, everyone. I'm Kyoung from the National Institute of Fisheries Science in Korea. Today, I would like to introduce Korean seaweed farming and breeding system with a particular focus on the regulation related to seaweed breeding. Korean aquaculture production has been rapidly grown over the past 30 years. This growth has been driven by increasing global demand for seaweed biomass, along with the development of improved seaweed varieties. At the same time, aquaculture technologies, farming materials, and automated production systems have also advanced significantly. To support this growth, the Korean government has expanded aquaculture farming areas and provided incentives for export companies. As a result, Korea is now the world leading exporter of pyropia products, and the industry continues to grow steadily. Korea has also registered 37 protected seaweed varieties, exceeding the numbers reported in China and Japan. In Korea, seaweed breeding methods include selection breeding, hybridization, and mutation breeding. Mutation breeding mainly use gamma ray irradiation. For Pyropia species, all three methods are available. However, for kelp, only selection and crossbreeding are commonly used because these species are more sensitive to gamma ray treatment. In Korea, all of these breeding methods are permitted for commercial aquaculture. However, eligibility for international eco certification may vary depending on the breeding method used to develop the seed stock. Many people ask how new seaweed varieties are developed and distributed. The process usually begins with the selection of superior strain from biobanks, natural populations, or existing farms. Researchers focus on traits such as high productivity, fast growth, and tolerance to environmental stress. Like us, National Research Institute or regional institutes and some private seed companies then use these genetic resources to develop new varieties through breeding programs and field trials. Once a new variety is developed, it is reviewed by the aquatic plant variety centers for registration and plant variety protection. After the approval, the variety is licensed to seed companies for commercial distribution. Seed companies must obtain official permission for seed production, report the varieties they plan to sell, and disclose their characteristics to the APVP center. Through these systems, improved seaweed varieties are supplied to aquaculture farms for commercial production. Korea is also making strong efforts to diversify cultivated seaweed species. New aquaculture species are continuously being developed, and cultivation manuals for these species have been published. This diversification helps reduce the industry's heavy dependence on major species such as Pyrophia, Undaria, and Saccharina. In addition, cultivating a wider range of species makes it possible to produce seaweed year-round according to seasonal environmental conditions. And in conclusion, climate change presents uh, serious challenges, but it also created important opportunities for innovation in seaweed farming and breeding. Korea has developed a wide range of new varieties and cultivated species to improve productivity and adapt to changing environmental conditions. To conserve biodiversity, Korea operates seven seaweed biobanks and continues efforts to secure genetic diversity. To reduce the impacts of fisheries disaster, the government is expanding aquaculture insurance systems and promoting eco-friendly certification programs. Finally, the use of seaweed is rapidly expanding beyond food, feed, and fertilizer into industries such as bioplastics, textiles, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and marine wellness. Okay, thank you very much.